Here the question is, an organic compound is adsorbed on the surface of silica gel. We need to name the process of removing the organic compound from silica gel. The process is desorption. Here, the compounds can be removed from silica gel by applying heat or changing the condition to release the adsorbed substances. And this can be done by thermal desorption. Here, the silica gel is heating in an oven or furnace at elevated temperatures, typically between 150 to 300 degrees Celsius. It is depending on the stability of organic compound. This causes the organic compound to evaporate from silica gel. And another method is solvent desorption. Here we are using a solvent to desorb the organic compound from silica gel by dissolving them. The silica gel is soaked in a suitable solvent like ethanol or methanol that dissolves the organic compounds. After soaking, filter or decant the solvent and then dry the silica gel. We can get the clean silica gel. So you can write any of the desorption process to achieve 1 mark.